What's up, guys? Today we are going to make some barbecue chicken on the grill. Got the Weber Performer, got some coals heating up, and I think we're going to do veggies, chicken thighs, all that good stuff. So let's just see what we got here. Whoa, it's like a fire. Jeez. What's going on out there? So the coals are just starting up. They're almost lit. And then we'll get ready to throw the chicken on. And yeah, we're gonna try to do some filming, you know, got some camera stuff and some microphones, but yeah, chicken. Feels like it's kind of feels like it's 4th of July, but it's not. It's almost August. Yeah. But anyways, if you like what you see, find it funny, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, of course, and we'll see what happens. Love these little chicken thighs. These are so good, and you can't screw them up because they never dry out. Well, unless you really kill them, but they're easy to cook with, especially on the barbecue with charcoal. I'll give you guys some pro tips. I took this chicken out maybe an hour ago, and if I was to just take it out of the fridge, it is probably going to be bone cold, and we're gonna have a hard time cooking it. Versus, I know that this is gonna cook much easier now that it's been out for about an hour, so. Perfect. Black salt, Lowry's, just generously. Right there. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of smoked paprika. You can get this at Trader Joe's. Pretty inexpensive. Puts a really good color on the chicken. Again, we're just generously seasoning. Back with seasoning again. That seems like a lot, guys, but trust me, it's all gonna be cool. Chicken's starting to feel almost room temperature, so that's good. We're gonna go check on the barbecue and see what we got left to do. All right, guys, this ready to go, raging hot. We're gonna go ahead and pour these coals down and start barbecuing. Alrighty, let's see here. We got that. All right, well, I think the chicken's done. I'm just gonna actually just pull it off the side. I'm just gonna put it right over here to stay warm. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna try this. Perfect. So I'm gonna put all the veggies on here. I'm gonna do the asparagus first, and then right here. Get a little flip. Awesome. Mushrooms are just about done, and after that's done, we are eating. Looks pretty good. Veggies, corn, chicken. Awesome. Go for it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and start having some dinner. Wife's hungry, I'm hungry. Go ahead and hit the like button.